Look at the dually here. He said it run good. He says he thinks I should drive this around town. Look at that thing. On that trailer. Does good. Rear end isn't leaking yet. I'm gonna check the engine here. Thing started, he said, pretty good with new batteries in there. Yeah, he said it was leaking diesel fuel though out of the fuel housing. Other than that, it ran good. The water pumps out, but no big deal. Got oil in it. Full on oil. Brand new alternator and brand new starter. See this? I brought the starter out for my IDI today, but I can't work on it though. See, we put a new Mitsubishi starter on here 2 years ago. See it? It's about the same size or same thing, you know. It's got the gear reduction. The starter went out. The rear bearing was binding and it wouldn't fire anymore, and it wouldn't start. So we got a new starter, new alternator, 2 new batteries. These batteries were not cheap. They were 150 bucks for 1,000 cranking amps for each one of them. Motorcraft. Yeah, 100 month, yeah, 1,000 cranking amps and 850 cold cranking amps. I'd start it up, but I guess I could. For the heck of it, just to see how it runs here. Why not? That annoying buzzer started working. We're not going to even touch the gas. Let's see how she runs here. Wait to start. Okay, let's try it now. Look at that. Not a problem. See, that new starter helped. Run like a new one. A little smoky at first, not much. Smells good. Yeah, a little bit of blue smoke. Smells good. Man, that smells good. It smells like what a diesel should smell like. This is a Powerstroke though. That's the miles that come when we got it. The speedometer didn't work, so I reconnected the speedometer in the back of the rear end, and now it's recording, but I don't know. It's a 95 Powerstroke 7.3 turbo. I don't know what's been done to it. We just paid $1,000 bucks for this thing, as is the way it looks here. It had white wood around the side. We took them off. Yeah, it's starting to rot out the wood, but not tough. Other than that, it's in great shape. Usually here it all rusts out here. It's in very good shape. One owner in South Dakota.